Hi guys, today I'm going to be making potatoes with chives from my own garden. The first step is to peel your potatoes. Next, I like to cut them into more bite-sized pieces. In a large pot, add water and salt. Then pop your potatoes in over high heat. Once the water has come to a boil, set a timer for 20 minutes. Next, strain your potatoes to get rid of all the water. Then add lots of butter to your pot. Pour your strained potatoes into the buttery pot and mix. Then add salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Next, I went into my backyard and cut some fresh chives. Chop the chives up finely and add them to the potatoes. All that's left to do is mix everything up and then they're ready to go. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.